Hi guys, I got a labubu. It's so cute. Let's see what I get. We have this one. I think I will get the pink one. So let's unbox. Whee! Ooh. Ta-da! What is it? It's the secret one. So cute. Is this lafufu or labubu? Thanks. Bye. Bye.